Each year, China leads the world in silk production, accounting for around 80% of the global total output of over 100,000 tons. Billions of silkworms are raised by Chinese farmers to produce silk, a material with a high intrinsic value and numerous applications in daily life and industry. Today, we will explore the process of silkworm rearing and silk production in this country, from traditional methods to the application of modern technology. Leave a comment number 1 to let me know you are ready to explore the silkworm rearing industry with me. Silkworms are an insect that has been domesticated for thousands of years to produce high-quality silk. A fully grown silkworm can produce around 1,000 meters of silk during its cocoon-making process. To create 1 kilogram of silk, 5,000 to 6,000 silkworm cocoons are required, equivalent to rearing over 5,000 silkworms. When looking at silkworms, many people may feel repulsed by their strange appearance. However, hidden behind this exterior is a treasure trove. The process of selecting silkworms requires experience to ensure the quality of the eggs as well as the health of the next generation. Silkworm eggs are laid in large batches, and farmers will carefully collect them. These tiny eggs are then placed in a controlled hatching environment with strict temperature and humidity regulation. When the young silkworms, also known as larvae, hatch out, they begin a remarkably rapid growth stage. To nourish this development, farmers provide fresh mulberry leaves, the primary and sole food source for silkworms. Mulberry leaves not only provide nutrition, but they also directly influence the quality of the silk. The leaves are finely chopped to provide food, ensuring that the tiny larvae are given ample nutrients to grow vigorously. It is astounding that silkworms can eat up to 50,000 times their body weight during their larval stage. This requires a massive amount of mulberry leaves, and many farmers have turned to cultivating mulberry trees as a complementary activity to silkworm rearing. In present-day China, people are growing mulberry plantations on a scale of millions of hectares. During the silkworm rearing process, maintaining a clean and safe environment is of utmost importance. Farmers often use lime powder, a traditional but effective method, to disinfect the silkworm rearing area and maintain the appropriate pH level. This technique not only helps prevent diseases, but also creates an ideal environment for the silkworms to thrive, leading to the production of high-quality silk. The ideal temperature range is between 20 degrees C and 28 degrees C, while the humidity should be maintained at 80 to 85%. Strict control of these factors helps increase the survival rate of silkworms and improve the quality of the silk. Feeding the silkworms is a process that requires a great deal of patience. This task is predominantly carried out manually. However, with the ingenuity of Chinese farmers, they have developed modern supporting devices to optimize the feeding process, ensuring the silkworms are nourished consistently and efficiently. The combination of traditional methods and modern technology has helped China continuously strengthen its leading position in the global silk industry. This has not only met the growing market demand for high-quality silk, but has also significantly improved the productivity and quality of the products. During the silkworm rearing process, farmers use square frames made of wooden or paper frames, a simple yet effective tool to provide a safe and stable place for the silkworms to cling to. This is an important stage when the silkworms begin the cocoon-making process. These specialized frames are designed to facilitate the silkworm's completion of the silk spinning process and the creation of their cocoons. Each farm can harvest millions of silkworm cocoons in a single season, creating an awe-inspiring sight. Before the silk cocoons can be used in industry, they must go through a thorough screening process. Specialized supporting equipment is used to remove the poor quality cocoons, ensuring that only the best ones are kept for processing into premium silk. Although technology has advanced, this stage still requires the involvement of skilled farmers. Do you find the way Chinese farmers create silkworm cocoons interesting? Leave a comment, yes, below. In China, silk companies will purchase large quantities of silkworm cocoons from the farmers, providing a significant source of income for the local population. This not only boosts the local economy, but also helps sustain the traditional silkworm rearing occupation. At the processing factories, conveyor belts operate continuously to transport the cocoons to the sorting area. Here, damaged or substandard cocoons are carefully removed. The cocoons are then fed into the boiling line, a crucial step in the production process. The boiling process not only helps to separate the silk fibers easily, but also plays a vital role in killing bacteria and removing impurities, ensuring the silk achieves the highest quality. Before the advent of modern machinery, the silk reeling process was an art that required great dexterity. Experienced farmers would meticulously carry out this task to create the highest quality silk fibers. Nowadays, after being softened, the cocoons are fed into industrial silk reeling machines. Silk fibers from multiple cocoons are simultaneously drawn out and wound into a continuous thread, ensuring optimal length and strength. A typical silk fiber has a diameter of only around 10 micrometers, finer than human hair, yet it has a tensile strength comparable to steel at the same weight. Modern silk reeling machines have significantly increased production efficiency and ensured consistency in the silk fibers. However, for specialized or more complex silk threads, the traditional manual method is still applied. The combination of technology and traditional handcrafting skills allows for the production of a diverse range of silk fabrics to meet the global market demand. After being reeled and wound, the silk fibers undergo various processing steps depending on the final intended use. Some are woven into fine, uniform silk fabrics, used in high-end apparel, embroidery, and exquisite handicrafts. Chinese silk is not only used in the fashion and furniture industries. In the medical field, silk is used to produce surgical sutures due to its safety and high biocompatibility. In the industrial sector, silk is utilized as an insulating material in electronic devices. Surprisingly, silkworm silk is also incorporated into cosmetics, shampoos, and skincare products, as it contains natural proteins that help soften and moisturize. One of the most famous applications of Chinese silk is the production of silk quilts. This process begins with the treatment of silk fibers to create a soft and durable filling. After being woven, these fillings are skillfully joined together to form a large, uniform layer. Each quilt undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure it meets the highest standards before leaving the factory. Silk quilts are not only a symbol of luxury with superior quality, but also offer numerous health benefits. they have natural temperature-regulating properties, keeping users cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Chinese silk quilts are the perfect blend of ancient tradition and modern technology, showcasing the prestige of the national silk industry. Concluding the story of silk, we cannot help but admire the remarkable journey from delicate silk fibers to captivating high-end products. Chinese silk, with a history spanning thousands of years, continues to prove the enduring value and elegance it holds in the modern world. Thank you for watching our program. To ensure you don't miss any updates or new projects from us, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We will continue to provide even more interesting and engaging content. See you in the latest episode. Goodbye, and see you next time.